ceilings. Welcome to the Sanders Sold This. All right, the home is completed. Let's check it out on the inside of this new construction project. Hope you like it. Let's see how we do. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful! Beautiful. Ring cameras are definitely recommended to have some type of camera when you have those Amazon packages. A great way to automate your home. Also paired with a keypad. IQ hub, security pad. A couple of things you can consider with home design are paint.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Look at the lines. This looks like shiplap, but it's actually striped paint throughout the home. Following these striped lines gives it the effect of shiplap. And when I pan out and you see this wall, it looks like a custom shiplap wall throughout, but it's actually paint. So don't fall asleep on paint. If you're renovating a home and you run out of funds and you want to elevate the look without the cost, consider that. Painting stripes. See the floating shelves? Continuing those paint lines really does help add a level of balance and luxury to this office. Floating shelves.
On the track, yo.